it's your girl Christine and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, today we are doing an unboxing. I am super stoked for this. Guys, this is the Causebox. If you guys know FabFitFun, then you're going to love the Causebox. So Causebox is kind of the same concept. They are a quarterly subscription service where you get a different box according to each season. So you get a fall, winter, spring, summer. You can do it as an annual subscription or you can do it as a quarterly subscription. Quarterly, it's about $55, and I think if you do an annual, it's same thing as like FabFitFun where they do give you a discount if you do the annual. Another thing I want to point out about the Causebox that makes it different from FabFitFun is that they have more of a meaning behind their box. And what I mean is their like purpose. So Causebox is a quarterly subscription box that focuses on curating a limited edition box of useful products from socially conscious brands. Each season, a unique box featuring original artwork outside the box is designed to deliver only the best ethical and sustainable products. For fall, their design work was inspired this fall by women lifting other women. I adore that. Their box changes every quarter and they have a different original artwork that is just as like morally awesome and ethically awesome, I believe, as the box itself. So each box is valued with products at over $200 and it can be anywhere from like 5 to 8 products. Causebox also donates to charities directly and helps bring awareness to environmental concerns. With that, I was completely sold to getting this product versus FabFitFun. I've never tried FabFitFun, but I felt like everybody knows FabFitFun, and like, although I'm sure they're a great company, I just felt like this one was better. All right, let's open this up and see what amazing products are here for fall. Oh look, they come with a little magazine pamphlet. So Causebox, a community of women who care. Oh my goodness, so most of the Causebox is ran by women. All right, so this just tells me exactly what is in the box, what its value is at. Oh my gosh, this is packaged so cute. All right, obviously, like again, it kind of looks like FabFitFun where you open the box, it looks really cute, but like, look at that first sticker just chilling, waiting for me to open it, and I don't want to ruin it. So before I even like get this first product out, everything that is wrapped in like a plastic, all the plastic on here, it says our commitment to the environment extends to this packaging. This is 100% biodegradable. So they're not like, they're giving us ethically and socially conscious products, but also keeping the environment in mind. I am loving this so much. This is so cute. Wait, so first we have the Pixie Mood Alley Tote in Sage Green. This is so cute. So it is originally a $65 value. So this box I paid probably like, I think $50. I ended up getting a coupon. And this just alone is worth more than what I paid for the box. And look at how cute. That is designed with environmentally conscious materials. So not only is it a freaking cute tote, but you know, oh my gosh, look, there's a little like makeup bag like inside the tote, basically like an extra little thing inside the tote. And it feels like really good material. The zippers, you can tell, just unzipping it is not cheap. Like this is a $65 bag that I already love. It's so cute. A Swell insulated water bottle. I love, it's like a matte black. It's very beautiful, very sleek. 17 ounce triple layered, vacuum insulated bottle that keeps beverages cold up to 24 hours or hot up to 12 hours. This bottle alone, $35. Also says it's condensation free, so there's going to be no sweat, it'll remain dry. And it's eco-friendly, BPA and BPS free and reusable. And it's so nice. Slim, it's sleek, it's easy to fit, and I'm sure it'll fit in your cup holder in your car. That's the issue I have with my Hydro Flask. I love my Hydro Flask, but it does not fit in the cup holders of my car. And this, I know will. Next, these are silicone stretch lids. I have 6 different size stretchable like coverings. Oh, they're so cute. There's a little, I don't know if you can see that. There's a little smiley face on it. How adorable. So you just like basically like stretch this over your bowl and then like use this to like pop it off. So this basically helps you reuse the bowls you already have and reduce plastic waste. Instead of using like saran wrap or tin foil, you're just reusing these bad boys. This is the Core Bamboo Serve Set. This is a $35 value. It prep and serve using the set made from one of the most renewable resources in the world, bamboo. We got little tongs here, got a little wooden. I've been actually meaning to get more of these for my kitchen, so I'm actually really happy that this is in here. And then a nice bamboo cutting board serving set. Love it. Next in here is Way of Will Brightening Base Serum. This is a $37.50 value right here. It's for a healthy glow, fights free radicals, and hydrates skin, made with vitamins A and C. This is not something I've seen on like Skincare by Hyram, so I'm not 100% sure how well this works, but I'm assuming since it's from this company and where they got it from, that it's completely ethically sourced and nothing like chemical based. So a lot of these ingredients I'm reading from the box is basically a lot of natural ingredients like grapeseed oil, rice bran oil, rosehip oil, blackcurrant, jojoba oil, also arugula seed oil, grapefruit oil, carrot seed oil, and then rose geranium oil. That didn't raise any red flags to me. It didn't say any like essential oils. It smells relatively good. So I don't know. I'll incorporate this into my skincare routine and let you guys know. Okay, last thing in my Causebox was really the #1 like seller besides like them being an overall like amazingly good company was this product right here. This is a PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This by itself is $100. So getting this box was like half this price, and I got 5 other items besides this. So 6 items in total for half of this price item alone. This is a smart facial cleansing device that helps firm skin while you clean. So it vibrates with 7,000 vibrations per minute to deeply remove the skin's impurities, breaking down dirt and oil within the pores. It has silicone, which is odor resistant, antibacterial, hypoallergenic, and waterproof. Our hassle-free brush head never needs replacing. It's customizable for all skin types. It has anti-aging facial massage, and there's no cords because it's battery based. When I first started like really getting into skincare, I ended up switching to a silicone based like brush. It's literally like a $6 brush on Amazon. I did it in my skin and hair favorites video a while back. So, and that was one of the things I think honestly helped get rid of my acne, was when I stopped using my fingers and basically had something else doing and getting like nitty-gritty dirt out of my skin. Wow, they even give you a battery, and then there's a little stand for it. You can stand it on your counter. Oh, there's different settings. I didn't read that. It says unscrew base, insert battery, push button to power on and cycle through modes. Use twice daily to cleanse skins for a fresh, radiant look. Use the anti-aging massager often. It is most effective when applying serums and moisturizer. Oh, there's 4 different modes on that. Although it says use twice daily to cleanse skin for a refreshed, radiant look. I would not take that to heart because I used to be one that was like, oh, if I clean my face all the time, like I should not have acne all the time. And it turns out I have really sensitive and dry skin, and cleaning my face that often was causing actually more breakouts. The best thing to do is to figure out how your skin reacts and then clean and wash your face based on that. Just like honestly, like looking through the little book that they give you shows how much of a great company they are. They literally give background on every single like product they give you and like where it comes from, who made it, the artist who drew the beautiful artistry on the box. They give her a whole background. They really care about the people they're buying it from and making it known. Oh, this is, I didn't even read the back. Let's put the kind back in humankind. I am honestly so impressed with this box just because, like, not only the fact that it's a bang for your buck, which is what I'm always looking for. You got like, all of this was like $50 for me, but it was way well over $200 in total. There was not a single item I would say disappointed me. I am super empowered by their whole entire mission for these boxes and everything it supports, like women lifting women and kindness and saving the planet and using ethically sourced items and supporting small businesses and artisans and everything in between. Again, you're getting a bang for your buck. You're also buying things that are going to help the planet, and also a part of your money that you are putting towards this company is being donated to charitable causes. Like, overall, that is just enough for me to completely support and encourage you guys to go and try this box. You may not love everything in it. I did, but it's just people are different. People are different. You may not like everything that is in the box, but I did, and I will encourage you to go and try it. I think the fall box by now is closed, but I know they're going to be doing a winter box, so I would definitely suggest hop on that because I think I will definitely be getting another one of these boxes. I think everything I got in here is beautiful and worth it, and I want more. With that, I am going to end this video. I will put a link for Causebox down below so you can sign up and get your own depending on if you want to do annually or quarterly. This video was not sponsored by Causebox. I want to put that out there. It was completely my unbiased opinion on the company. I just happen to have a really high view of them now. If you like this video and want me to do more unboxings of Causebox, FabFitFun, or anything in between, hit that like button. Haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to know anytime I post a new video, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Bye!